Hi, and we are from Group 2. And my name is Nixon Vincent.
My name is Daniel Lucas.
And my name is Muhammad Nabil.
Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the topic of renewable energy. And for the evaluation criteria, we shall discuss about understanding renewable energy system, its quality, its system component and site justification. And lastly, about the functionality and sustainability impact. And so we get into the introduction. Renewable energy is essential for a sustainable future because it helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions, reduce the dependence on fossil fuels, and promotes environmental conservation. And today, we will explore the different types of renewable energy and their benefits. And now, my friend is going to explain about what actually is renewable energy. What does it mean?
Renewable energy comes from natural sources that are continuously renewed, such as sunlight, wind, rain, sea tides, and geothermal heat. In contrast to fossil fuel, renewable energy sources do not run out over time and have a lower environment impact.
Solar energy. Solar system converts sunlight to electricity. Solar system also depends on the weather. More specifically, depends on the day sunlight. Solar system helps to reduce the dependence on grid power. Solar system include panels to receive sunlight and convert to electricity, then goes to battery charger to be stored by batteries and then to inverter to change it to AC since solar is a DC output. How the solar system can support PKK electrical power management. PKK use a high load electricity daily for classes, library, and office for lectures and labs. By using solar, can help reduce the electricity cost from the SESB thanks to reduction in dependence on grid power. By using solar system in PKK, although starting from small scale can affect environmental and education value by showing to outsiders that our campus has started to move into renewable energy. System component and site justification. The main process focus on solar PV, where sunlight is converted into electricity using solar panels. Since this system does not involve combustion or turbines, those processes are not applicable and this is correctly identified. The important components such as inverters, generators in terms of power generation, protection system and distribution boards are well explained. The inverter converts DC to AC. Protection system ensure safety from faults and distribution boards manage the power flow to the campus. For site suitability, the process the proposed parking area is appropriate because it has high solar irradiance, minimal shading from buildings or trees, and a strong structure that can support solar panel installation. Okay, from the figure, this, di- this figure shows how a solar power system works. Sunlight is captured by solar panels and converted into DC power. This power goes to an inverter which changes into AC electricity, AC electricity for use. Some energy is stored in a battery for later use. If there is not enough power, a backup generator provides support. The electricity, the electricity is then sent to the distribution board and delivered safely to the campus. The system includes protection systems and it works best with strong sunlight and minimal shading.
For the functionality and sustainable impact, solar panels convert sunlight into direct current DC electricity using photovoltaic cells. Then the inverter convert DC into alternating current AC, which can be used by campus electrical system. This show a clear and efficient energy flow from source to usage. The system helps reduce dependency on fossil fuel because it generates electricity from renewable energy, solar energy, instead of relying fully on the conventional grid. As a result, less fuel is burned in power plants. This also helps in carbon emission mitigation since solar energy produces no direct pollution during operation. Therefore, it contributes to a cleaner and greener environment. In terms of efficiency, the system improves overall campus power usage by reducing energy losses, lowering electricity costs, and providing a more sustainable and reliable power supply. In conclusion, the proposed solar PV system provides a clear and efficient energy conversion process from sunlight to usable electricity. It successfully reduces dependence on fossil fuel and helps lower carbon emission, making it environmentally friendly. In addition, the system improves overall energy efficiency and reduces electricity costs for the campus. Therefore, this renewable energy solution is practical, sustainable, and suitable for implementation at PKK.
Okay, thank you guys. And now I'm gonna simplify back everything, but in simpler and more short terms. Basically, what you need to understand for solar system is the main components. What components does involve in solar system? The basic things are, the overall things are just solar panel, PV panels, and it goes to the charger controller. The charger controller charges the battery, and then the, there we have inverter. Inverter is to change from DC output to AC output, which was supplied by the battery, and then from the inverter can goes to the load. And although solar system offer benefits, but it also has some limitations, which is, as we already know, solar system converts from sunlight electricity from sunlight to electricity. Therefore, it relies on sunlight, and for that, at night we cannot get anything, and we cannot have power because we don't have sunlight at night. And yes, that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.